Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is now in session. The court is in session with its announcement docket on today's date of June 12, 2026. First three cases are cause numbers 25 CCCR 2982, cause number 25 CCCR 2803, and cause number 24 CCCR 3013. Now, everybody that's on Zoom, please put your mics on mute. Person that has Samsung SMS7, thank you. I
have him in my other, I'm gonna let him know. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Maselli, how are you doing?
Not too bad this morning, Your Honor.
Oh, that's good. Now, Mr. Maselli, you are pro se in this case, which means that you are representing yourself. You signed a waiver of counsel.
Yes, sir.
Back on April 14 of 2026. Is that correct?
I believe the date is correct. Yes, sir.
Also on April 14, 2026, the court gave you some bond conditions. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And I think condition number 7 of the bond conditions stated that the defendant shall wear a global positioning monitoring system device at the defendant's expense with written verification being submitted to the court within 3 days. You
Yes,
remember
sir.
that? Have you?
I had the monitor.
You do?
And I did get it. I believe it was towards the weekend, but the monitoring place that they had the paperwork to get to you.
Okay. Now, did you you said they were supposed to get the paperwork to me?
You had given me a piece of paper that said I needed to get the monitor, and
Yeah, that was the bond conditions.
I got the monitor, and he said that I don't know how they let you know that I have it.
Okay, who did you get it with? What's the name of the company?
Johnny's, I believe.
That's the name of the company, right?
Right across from the jailhouse.
And you said, so Johnny's was supposed to get it to me?
He was gonna let you know that I had followed your 3 day. You gave me 3 days to get the monitor.
Okay.
And I was nervous saying that, the judge needs to know that I have it within his time frame.
Okay.
He said it's not an issue.
Okay. Now, and he has his monitor. Okay. Now, Mr. Maselli, your cases are on the announcement docket.
Yes, sir.
Now, have you had, let me ask you, sir, have you had an opportunity to set an appointment with the district attorney's office to get discovery?
I want to get into.
To have access to discovery?
They called the district attorney's office, and the district attorney wasn't gonna allow me to get the discovery files.
No, by law, they can't give it to you.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Well, I had a motion to give to you because they want me to go up there and sit down with an investigator and, and I
Go
can't
through the file.
They told me I can't take notes. How come a lawyer can leave the building with the files?
Okay, well.
I had a motion.
That's Article 39.14, Texas Code of Criminal.
Fire last Saturday,
Oh.
and my
Okay.
got a little messed up. So I was actually coming in here this morning to ask for a continuance because I haven't gotten with the district attorney
Okay.
discovery file.
Okay.
And it's not a ploy to get this drug out. I'm trying to get this handled as soon as possible.
So
I
just for your reference,
because I got into kind of a heated argument with the district attorney a couple days ago, and he was like, just file a motion. And so I prepared to bring you a motion this morning. Isn't it against
motions have to be filed in the county clerk's office. Yes. I can't just.
And I just can't hand it to you.
Right.
I have to.
Right.
I'm just saying with the house fire and everything, my paperwork got a little messed up. Like.
Okay, now.
I would make available to him. I personally will copy the paper discovery, and I will leave a packet at his desk. He will have to come in though and review the video.
I can't
evidence with.
Just listen, sir.
I apologize.
He can set an appointment and set a time to review the video evidence with a investigator, and of course he can take notes, Judge.
They told me that.
Hold on, we're not going back with what they tell you. What he's saying now.
I'm the assistant district attorney assigned to the case. I will personally get him paper copies of the discovery, which he's entitled to for each of the three cases, Judge. I will put them in I will put them in an envelope. And I'll have his name on it for the front desk. It'll be there for Monday at the latest for his pickup. It's up to Mr. Maselli to set a time in which he can review the
Can I do that with you now?
the video.
We're in court now.
I mean, can I make an appointment with you for,
You won't sit
just
with
call
me
it
and
off.
watch the video.
okay,
Say you want to be an investigator or
Uh-huh.
or someone else, but rest assured you can take notes from the videos. But I will copy it and it will be available for you on Monday of each of the three files
that's
separately later.
perfect.
Okay,
Okay.
let's give him a reset date. Yes, she's gonna give you a reset date. We're gonna keep it on the announcement docket. Give you an opportunity to get the discovery and view the videotape. Once you get your reset, you're free to go
Thank you.
and you have a blessed day.
You do the same.
All right.
Yes, sir. Ma'am?
Just, have a seat on that part, and I'll call you to go take a
Thank you.
Okay. Miss, you can get the rest of it.
Okay.
Do 750. I'll lose you to 5.
He's a truck driver, so that's what it's for.
As we were talking briefly before, we do and then a year, I mean, yeah. Odd year down.
I wasn't listening to the.
Put it in the free.
I don't have to, no, if this is because I need this guy.
Put them in the record.
None of the lights are on,
Okay.
all of the videos back here I have, but this one is unrelated to our case, one's unrelated to our case.
No.
Yes, yeah.
And what I mean by that, it could have been, could have been taped over or the officer.
Probably, 'cause this is-
The officer arrived with a body cam on the scene, probably something else, a body cam still running. And it may be toward the.
Yeah.
Tied in to what it's on the. How it was the case.
Have a good day.
June or July 25.
The older, that's the possibility that the video may have been lost.
Yeah.
Now we're going to put it in post safety.
All right, County Court Law number 2 is now in session, on the Judge Terrence on side.
You may be seated. Make sure that. Okay, thanks. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to County Court at Law number 2. My name is Judge Terrence Holmes. I'm the presiding judge here in County Court at Law number 2. This morning, we have our announcement docket. When I call your name, please come forward with your attorney if you're represented by an attorney. If you are not represented by an attorney, please come forward before the bench by yourself. Is that tablet acting up?
No, I just turned it on.
Okay, it looks like from here.
Oh, it is on.
Automatic open and back.
Yeah. Yeah, let me, you could use.
Here.
I was gonna tell him to use this here one.
Uh-oh.
You might wanna use, he could use this one. Let me see when it comes up. taking a while. First case. First case is cause number 25 CCCR 1772. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Jarrell Dodd. Mr. Dodd is currently on Zoom. Mr. Dodd, you can take your mic off of Zoom.
Yeah, yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Dodd?
Good.
That's good. Mr. Dodd, you're representing your case by your attorney James Paget.
Yes, sir.
And I think that's Mr. Paget on Zoom.
Oh, yeah, that's him on Samsung.
Mr. Paget, you can take your mic off of mute.
No, that's not Mr. Paget. I don't know who that is.
Oh, that's not?
Nah, no, sir. I don't know. I don't know who that is. That's somebody else.
No, sir. That's my lawyer as well.
Oh, okay. Well, both of y'all can put your mic on mute, and then when your attorney arrive or get on Zoom, then we'll call your case back. Is he
Okay.
gonna be on
Is
Zoom?
that Mr. Evans, Judge?
Yeah, that's Evans and
And
Dodd. Okay,
Yeah.
you can put your mics on mute. Thank you. Next case. Oh, there she is. Next case is cause number 25 CCCR 2340. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Latoya Annette Elam. Ms. Elam is currently on Zoom. Ms. Elam, would you please take your mic off of mute? How are you doing, Ms. Elam?
I'm okay, just have a little stomach virus, that's why I didn't show up in court.
Okay. Now, Ms. Elam, you're represented in your case by your attorney Marva Provo. Ms. Provo, how are you doing? That's good. State is represented in this case by attorney Cornelius Williams. Mr. Williams, how are you doing?
Very well, Your Honor. And how are you and your exceptional staff?
We're doing great. Thanks for asking. Ms. Provo, what is your announcement in Ms. Elam's case?
I would like to have this case, place remain on the announcement docket for the purpose of obtaining the rest of my discovery.
Okay. And give us a reset. Just stand. She was just appointed last month. You said July 10th. Case is set for July 10th, 2026. Now, Ms. Elam, your case is reset to July 10th, 2026 at 9 a.m. On that day, that's a Friday. Yeah, on that day, you need to be in court in person. We'll be praying that you have a full and speedy recovery from your illness. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And Miss, we may have to see if you can. Okay.
May I be excused for this case? May I be excused?
For that case, yeah. Yeah. Miss, let's see. We have Latricia Marks. Miss Marks, would you please come forward? Please stand in the middle. Okay. Yes, this is cause number 25 CCCR 2648. Case is style of state of Texas versus Latressa Monique Marks. And Ms. Marks, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Ms. Marks?
Fine.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Ms. Marks, last time your case was reset for you to hire an attorney.
I did.
Have you, who did you hire?
Right.
Rife Kimmler?
Yes, and I told him this morning, but he said I hired right.
Okay. Just have a seat. We'll wait for Mr. Kimmler to arrive. Is he supposed to be? Do we have a letter of rep in the file?
They won't come in my phone.
hold on, just wait up, just be quiet. She's gonna check, something. We need to see if he filed a letter of representation. He did?
I'm gonna show my phone.
No, that's fine.
He said I wasn't on his dockets this morning.
I understand because the reason why you wasn't on his docket is because he didn't file a letter of representation. If he would have filed a letter of representation, then we would have sent him notice.
And I wouldn't be here.
That's right.
What
That's right.
Yes,
That's
sir.
exactly right.
you need me to do?
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna reset your case.
Yes, sir.
And you need to tell Rife that he needs to send a letter of representation to the court. Okay? So you're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go.
Yes, sir.
And you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. You said, I'll give you my name, yes.
And then we need to make a note that Rife needs to send a letter of rep.
Please.
Yes, but you need to tell him.
I really did, sir.
Okay, no, I'm just saying, just
Say, ask the bailiff. I'm not on his docket this morning.
okay. Just let, and the reason why, because he didn't send a letter of representation. All right, Gerard Jones.
Right now.
Okay,
Put your hat right there from that table, thank you.
okay, Mr. Jones, your full name is Gerard Wayne Jones?
Jared Wayne Jones.
Oh, stand in the front, sir. Jared Wayne Jones, how you doing, Mr. Jones?
I've been better. I've had a rough patch over the last month. My engine blew in my truck and I had to muster up money to get another one. And I've been dealing with that and, having to get money to pay for the lawyer and all that stuff, so.
So you need more
I had a
time?
rough patch. Yeah, I got one, but I didn't never hear back from him.
You hired him?
I mean, I've talked to him, but I haven't heard back from him.
Well, you gotta hire him. That's the only way you're gonna hear back from him.
Yes, sir.
You're gonna maybe have to contact your lawyer. If you hire your attorney, then your attorney's gonna send us a letter of representation
Right.
informing us that you. Now, this is a new case. Let's see.
Yes, sir. This is my first ever, down on the TV or whatever.
Okay, let me just,
I was on the way home from work when I got this.
now. Notice a reset. Hold on. No, we've been going through this here for a while.
Yeah.
We've been, but since January, you signed a letter, you stating that you, on the judge's explanation, you wanted to hire a lawyer. We're in the month of June,
I tried to,
so that's been 5 months.
I tried to say that I mean, I can't really afford, a lawyer. I would
Okay,
like
just,
to-
okay,
but,
oh,
you
good,
know what I
good,
mean?
just have a seat, and, our court, bailiff is gonna hand you a document, a clipboard with that information on it. And then if you can fill out that information, requesting a court-appointed attorney, then we're gonna call you back up.
Yeah, I mean, I make decent money, but I mean, I'm still living paycheck to paycheck because I.
I understand.
kids, you know what I'm saying?
I understand, but that's why you're gonna have to fill out that affidavit of indigence, so we can look at it and evaluate it. And so that we can see whether or not you qualify, okay? So just have a seat, and, we'll bring that clipboard out to you.
Okay,
All right,
all right, thank you, sir.
all right. Jayla Monet Dixon,
Oh, okay. You know,
man, put your purse on the table. Miss, bless you.
So sorry.
Give her a tissue and give her some,
Ma'am, thank you.
give her some tissue to wipe her hands too.
Thank you.
Okay. Case of style of state of Texas versus Jayla Monet Dixon. Miss Dixon, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Miss Dixon?
I'm well, and yourself?
Fine, thanks for asking. Now, Miss Dixon, last time you were here, your case was reset for you to hire an attorney. Have you hired your attorney?
It was like Timber as well,
You hired Rife?
yes, but I wanted to know, is there any way that I could talk to someone about the situation without, since obviously he didn't.
Hold on, wait up. Let's see if Rife Kimler filed a letter of representation. Notice of resetting bond, we don't have anything indicating to us that you hired Rife Kimler. I'm looking in your file now, see a notice of resetting,
I mean,
reset to hire. Yeah, so that's for you. Well, if you want to represent yourself, you can, but you have to fill out, she's gonna give you some paperwork that you have to fill out saying on that paperwork, it's the paperwork that you had the last time.
yeah, I recall.
Okay. We're gonna need another one.
Another clipboard?
Yes. Okay, so, just have a seat. Oh, she already gave it. Ms. Mosby,
It's okay.
she's gonna do the one, the waiver and, yeah, she's gonna give it to you. And you just take a seat, fill it out, and then when you finish, we'll call you back up. All right, you have a blessed day. She gave it one.
I got this. I need you to say it. Yeah. Well, I got it, and I'm telling you.
Okay, Ms. Dixon, you can raise your right hand. Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Okay, Ms. Dixon, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Dixon? You well? That's good. Now, Ms. Dixon, I have before me two documents. The first document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Do you recognize this document? Yes. And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? And are these your initials on the line that state you like to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself? Speak up. Yes. I also have another document that is titled Waiver of Counsel for Purposes of Entering a Guilty Plea or Proceeding in Trial. You recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? Now, Ms. Dixon, before you signed and initial these documents, did you read the documents? Did you understand what you read? And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Okay, Ms. Dixon, I read your answers. You can take a seat and one of the prosecutors is going to come out and talk to you. Okay. Could you get us to Miss Mosby?
Okay.
Can I hand that to one of the prosecutors? That's available.
Mr. Jones?
Oh, hold on, let me get Mr. Okay. Court is back in session. Court is in session in clause number 25 CCCR 1772. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Jarrell Dodd. Mr. Dodd is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Dodd, you can take your mic off of mute.
Yes, sir. I'm up.
How are you doing, Mr. Dodd?
Good.
That's good. And Mr. Dodd, you're representing your case by your attorney James Paget, who is also appearing via Zoom. And Mr. Paget, how are you doing?
Doing well. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Now, Mr. Paget, what is your announcement? Let's see. Hold on a minute. This is Dodd.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Let me
Before we get going, I'd like to apologize to the court for not being there in person, Your Honor. I had something come up. I called your court and I also emailed Mr. Williams to apologize as well. So
okay.
we were supposed to be in person this morning.
Right.
Mr. Dodd and I.
Okay, see now, Mr. Dodd, well, Mr. Paget, I see you was hired on this case back in October of 2025.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And what's your announcement?
Your Honor, I have an offer from Mr. Williams. I also spoke to Mr. Williams last time that my client had some pertinent information and another witness that he wanted to bring in and have an investigator in the district attorney's office interview. So that's why we were supposed to be there in person this morning. And again, this morning, something happened that made it impossible for me to be there. So we have an offer, and honestly, I understand how old the case is. That's why we were to come in person today. And I notified Mr. Dodd of that as well. So I haven't been able to reach him as far as whether or not the witness was coming in today. My understanding was that Mr. Dodd would have a witness along with some documentation from Mr. Williams this morning.
Excuse me, I got the documentation, but I don't have the witness with me unless I come in person. But he sent me like the stuff I needed, but
well, I understand, Mr. Dodd, but you were notified to be in person. And
yeah, yes, sir.
You responded that you would be. So that's the last I heard from you.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Williams.
Yeah, Your Honor, can we just get a standard reset to Mr. Paget and his client could come to our office, meet with an investigator? I mean, to have ample time just to sift through this, Judge.
Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Okay, we're going to give you a standard reset. But before that date, you need to meet with the district attorney's office so that once we come back to court, everything that you were supposed to do today would have been done before this next court date. And Mr. Paget, do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor, and I just
And
wanted to be
Mr.
upfront with the court because Mr. Williams, it's his first time to look at the case last setting, and I wanted to be upfront with him because he's been very helpful as far as allowing me time to get this information together.
Okay, Mr. Dodd, stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Now give us a reset date.
July 10th.
This case is reset to July 10th of 2026, but before that date, you and your attorney and the witness is gonna get with the district attorney to provide the district attorney with whatever information that you have.
Yes, sir.
All right?
Hey,
So,
Mr. Paget.
No,
this
no,
case-
don't
you
speak
can,
to me about a personal matter here.
yeah, you can talk to Mr. Paget after this session is over. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Case is reset for July 10th, 2026 at 9 a.m. in County Court at Law number 2, Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding, and you are free to go. You have a
Yes,
blessed day, Mr. Dodd. Stay
All
in
right,
contact with your attorney and your bondsman.
Yes, sir.
Next case is Amos Evans.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Evans. Mr. Evans, you are represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney James Paget, who is also appearing via Zoom.
Yes, sir.
Use some bond conditions. And Mr. Paget, let's see. I was looking for your letter of representation one.
Well, I have discoveries.
Oh, here it is. Here
Sure
it
that
is.
it's in there. Yes, sir. It's my
Yeah,
first
yeah,
time
yeah.
on
You were hired on this case last month.
Yes, Your Honor.
I guess about 3 weeks ago, something like that.
That's correct, Your Honor. We're in the process of completing discovery as we speak.
Okay. Now, let's see. And the state is represented in this case by Miss Farrah Nixon. And Miss Nixon, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. We're gonna give him a standard reset. What day? 10th. Okay. Mr. Evans, your case will be reset to July 10th, 2026 at 9 a.m. You need to stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman.
Yes, sir.
They will be given notice of your reset. Now, before I release you, I need to give you some bond conditions, and these bond conditions will be sent to your attorney and your bondsman. You can get a copy from them. And the document that I'm going to send to them is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court at Law number 2, and it states as follows. Following the return of a criminal information in County Court at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
And condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs or alcohol in the defendant's body. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
And the next condition, condition number 3, states that the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, condition number 4 does not apply. Condition number 5 does apply, and it states that the defendant is prohibited from possessing a firearm or ammunition unless defendant is a peace officer as defined by section 1.07 of the Penal Code, actively engaged in employment as a sworn, full-time paid employee of a state agency or political subdivision. Do you understand that condition?
Yes,
It
sir.
states you cannot possess a firearm or ammunition unless you are a peace officer as defined by section 1.07 of the Penal Code, actively engaged in employment as a sworn, full-time paid employee of a state agency or political subdivision. Do you understand that condition?
Not really. So I can't have a firearm period at all.
You
Sounded
cannot,
pretty clear, Mr.
you
Evans.
cannot,
Okay. Well, yes, sir. I understand.
okay, you're prohibited from possessing a firearm or ammunition. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, condition number 7 also applies, states that the defendant shall wear a global positioning monitoring system device at the defendant's expense, with written verification being submitted to the court within 3 days after today. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you violate any one of these conditions, your bond can be revoked. And if your bond is revoked, the warrant will be issued for your arrest. You'll be arrested and placed in the Jefferson County Jail. If you need to get information on where you can get the GPS device, you can contact our office after we get out of court, and our court coordinator will email that information to you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you violate any one of these conditions, your bond can be revoked and a warrant will be issued for your arrest. You'll be arrested and placed in the Jefferson County Jail. And again, a copy of this bond condition will be sent to your attorney and your bondsman. Okay, you're free to go. Again, your case is reset till July 10th, 2026 at 9 a.m. And on that day, you need to be in court in person.
Yes, sir.
All right. And you have a blessed day. And Mr. Paget, I think that this is your last case. You're free to
Yes,
go as
Your
well.
Honor.
And you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm gonna have to fill it out. I hadn't signed it. Okay. Okay, you're free to go, Mr. Evans.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to close it.
What did you say? You have, what are the pause numbers? Okay, put it as file. Okay, easy. All right, thanks. Okay, Mr. LeBlanc. Xavier Collier. Is he here? Okay, Xavier Collier, was scheduled to be in court at 9 AM. At about 9 AM, the court's merely called the name of Xavier Collier at the courthouse door. Xavier Collier, did not answer. The time now is 10:06 AM on today's date of June 12th, 2026. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Xavier Collier at the courthouse door?
Xavier Collier. Xavier Collier. No response, Your Honor.
Okay, Xavier Collier's name was just called to get at the courthouse door. Xavier Collier did not answer. Reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Collier an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
State move for bond forfeiture, John, and warrant issue.
That bond will be forfeited and warrant shall be issued in cause number 26 CCCR 0328. And Mr. LeBlanc, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. These are the two dismissals. Are you working on any pleas?
If you like, you can start Mr. Thomas down by the right.
Okay. Okay, I'm signing the dismissals.
Judge Ms. Carranzo said that she is in family court and she'll be down right after that.
Okay. Who's the prosecutor? Mr. Williams?
Fair enough.
Space gas. Janae Vasquez Placencia.
Just gonna do some vacation damage.
Okay. Oh, that's the back.
Yes.
Thank you. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is in session in two cases, cause numbers 25 CCCR 2812 and cause number 25 CCCR 2813. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Janae Vasquez Placencia. Mr. Vasquez Placencia, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You may put your hand down. How are you doing?
Doing so.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Vasquez Placencia, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Alec Comerford. Comerford, how are you doing?
Be good, Judge. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks. Thanks, Ms. Comerford. Do you waive a record in Mr. Vasquez Placencia's case?
We do.
Mr. Vasquez Placencia, in cause number 25CCCR 2813, I have before me a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that Eugene Vasquez Placencia on or about October 12th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of resisting arrest, search, or transportation. Mr. Vasquez Placencia, do you understand what you have been charged with?
I do.
And to this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I'm good.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Mr. Vasquez Placencia, I also have before me on my tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment, also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
On page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials on a line next to a box that says check guilty. The initials are GV. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes.
And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, you recognize this document.
Yes.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled
Yes.
Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes.
Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes.
I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. And do you recognize this document?
Yes.
And is this your signature on the line
Yes.
that's titled Defendant? Mr. Vasquez Placencia, before you signed and initialed all of the documents that I'm showing you, did your attorney go over these documents with you? Did your attorney go over the documents with
Yes.
you? And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
I did.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Mr. Vasquez Placencia, are you a citizen of the United States?
I am.
The state tenders to this honorable court, State's Exhibit Number 1.
Any objections?
No objection.
No objection. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Comerford, you advised and counseled Mr. Vasquez Placencia. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
There is not.
And Mr. Vasquez Placencia, your attorney has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
I am.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Vasquez Placencia, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty in this case. Now, State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The essential terms are as follows. It's 12 months deferred adjudication and a $500 fine. There'll be no community service. And the state would not obviously object to this matter being transferred to the state of Florida under the Interstate Compact Act. Is that correct, Mr. Comerford?
Yes, that is correct.
What's the court cost in this case?
280.
Okay, Mr. Vasquez, Placencia. The state is offering that you serve 12 months in a deferred adjudicated probation. During the 12-month probationary period, you will be required to pay a fine of $500 plus court costs of $287. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $6 a month, your announcement fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. Your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $155 a month. Mr. Vasquez Placencia, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, I do.
And do you think the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes,
And do you accept the state's offer?
I do.
Okay. Mr. Vasquez Placencia, I will follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now you do, the state is waiving the court costs in this case. And the companion case,
Yes, sir. Criminal number 25 CCCR 2812 should be dismissed, and I have submitted that to the court judge.
okay,
In
and Mr.
consideration of the plea.
and Mr. Vasquez Placencia. Waiving the court costs. No, the court costs, all of that's included in the fine. I mean, in its in the fees that he'll be paying him each month. No, what they're saying, they're waiving the community service. There's no community service. Okay, I mean, community service.
Just like, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so they're waiving the community service in this case. And the state will be dismissing cause number 25 CCCR 2812. And I'm signing that dismissal. You'll be able to get a copy of the dismissal and the judgment from our bailiff. You're gonna stand at the end of that table, follow her directions. Once you follow her directions and receive your paperwork, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Comerford, I have one more.
Yes.
We can give you all.
Okay.
Okay. You working on another one?
Don't have one.
Hmm?
I don't have one.
He's, I actually have another client. We're
Oh.
not right now today.
Okay, this
Alejandro.
Alejandro Aragus.
We are working towards a resolution for this case.
Okay,
Seems to be that I have a video that missing. He had a chance to review everything that we had. I just need to try to follow up on it.
okay. Mr. Aragus, your full name is Alejandro Aragus? Aragus?
Yes, sir.
Aragus. Now, how are you doing?
Great, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Aragus, your attorney is Attorney Alec Comerford, and what's your announcement?
Trying to locate some more media footage.
Okay. It's, you need time to complete discovery?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, give us a preset date,
July.
10th.
Yeah.
Okay, this case will be reset to July 10th, 2026. Mr. Aragus, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. And Attorney Comerford, you're free to go as well. And you have a safe trip.
Thank you, George.
Back. Okay.
Yeah. He's not.
Plant
Yeah.
Kalfus. Mr. Coffers. This is cause number 26 CCCR 0522. Your name is Clint Michael Coffers. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Coffers?
Been better.
Okay, I'm sure you've been worse too. Yeah. Now, Mr. Coffers, you're representing your case by your attorney, David Grove.
Yeah, I've been able to get a hold.
Okay, Danny, well, he has had some medical issues. Okay. Serious medical issues.
Yes, sir.
And so what the court is going to do, we have to appoint you another lawyer
Yes, sir.
because of his condition, we don't know when he'll be back.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So, Mr. Coffers, you will be appointed Attorney Jennifer DeLedge.
Yes, sir.
Attorney DeLedge will be given information to contact you, and you will be given information to contact her. Our court coordinator is going to give you that information. Once she gives you that information, you'll be free to go.
Yes, sir.
You have a blessed day, and we pray that you have a better day next time you come.
Thank you, sir.
All right, you have a blessed day. Just have a seat right there. Keila Bell. How are you doing? Okay, would you please raise your right hand? Swear firm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may put your hand down. I have before me you have a, oh, here it is. I have before me two documents. The first document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
Or these your initials on the line state you like the court appointed attorney? I also have another document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled defendant signature. Is this your signature? Now, before you sign and initial these documents, did you read the documents? Did you understand what you read? And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Now, Ms. Bell, I've read your answers. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of court-appointed attorney. And the attorney that will be appointed to represent you in your cases is Attorney Mark Faggart. Attorney Faggart will be given information to contact you, and you will be given information to contact him. Our court coordinator will give you that information. Once she gives you that information, you'll be reset. That is, you'll be given another court date and you'll be free to go. Okay? Have a seat in that second chair on the wall.
Matt, 831, 395, 3376. Thank you.
The judge, sweep the clerk.
Oh, did they talk to y'all talk to her?
No, sir, I was printing out.
Oh, okay.
Document for her to read.
Oh, okay. You say you needed to talk to her? Okay. Okay. Here you go. That's for Miss Bell. I have somebody else paperwork to look over.
Wanted to come
Now, Ms. Dixon, I understand that you talked to the prosecutor. At the bottom of this document, it says that if you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. You can ask for a court-appointed attorney, or you can request time to hire your attorney. Do you understand? Okay, you see the court-appointed? Okay. The bailiff is going to give her that affidavit of indigence to fill out, and then we'll call you back up, okay? Just have a seat at that table. Okay, Ms. Dixon, I have two documents before me that they are judge's explanation of rights to defendants without attorney. You recognize this document? And your initials on the line that state you would like to apply for the appointed attorney. Is that correct? And this is your signature. Is that correct? On the line that says defendant. The next document is Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. And do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of the same document, there's a signature on the line that's titled defendant's signature. Is that your signature? Now, Ms. Dixon, before you sign and initial the documents that I just showed you, did you read the documents? Did you understand what you read? And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Ms. Dixon, I read your answers. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney, and the attorney that will be appointed to represent you is Attorney John Macy. Attorney Macy will be given information to contact you, and you will be given information to contact him. Our court coordinator will give you that information. Once you get that information, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. This is cause number 2666CR 0452. Case is styled the state of Texas versus, is that Yasmin? Yasmin Crane. How you doing, Miss Crane? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Miss Crane. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Laura Perazzo. Miss Perazzo, how are you doing?
Doing, how, Your Honor?
That's good. Now, let's see, Ms. Perazzo, you was appointed on this case in April of 2026, and what is your announcement?
If I may, Your Honor,
Yes,
after her able appointment and zealous representation of her client, Ms. Crane, application has been made with the Office for Pretrial Diversion, and the last note that I have within our system is still under consideration. That was on Monday, June 8th, and I just relayed it to Ms. Perazzo. Is that correct?
That is correct. Very accurate description.
We'll expect a decision within the next 30 days, of course.
okay, I think Pat Pinot was on vacation.
Yeah, that's what it was, Judge.
Okay, give us a reset. Let me see. No, just a standard, because if she get in next month, we'll know.
Right, and then we wouldn't have to make an appearance.
Right.
Oh, I wouldn't have come back.
Well, not.
Well, what you do, when you come back next month, we'll know whether or not you was accepted. If you were accepted, then I guess once you sign up, after that date, you won't have to come back because your case is being active. Okay.
Got you.
All right, so
And can you fix my phone number? Cause the last time I had the,
don't,
once I walked downstairs.
okay,
Oh,
we on YouTube, you don't wanna
oh,
air your
okay, yes, ma'am. Okay. I had to call the office and give her. the
Okay,
right
okay,
number.
you can give it to her on a sheet of
Yes, sir.
paper or something.
Yes.
July 10th. So Miss Crane, your case will be set to July 10th, 2026. So that your attorney will have enough time to see whether or not you've been accepted to the pretrial diversion program.
Okay,
Ms. Crane, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
you too.
And Ms. Perazzo, you're free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
Your Honor, you too.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yes, y'all too, you too.
Why didn't
Oh, you want to give me the? Number?
Oh, when I call you.
Okay.
Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in 2 cases, cause numbers 26 CCCR 0200 and cause number 24 CCCR 0022. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Brian J. Smith. Mr. Smith, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Smith, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Smith, do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Smith, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Smith?
Good.
That's good, Mr. Smith. I'm doing fine. The state is represented in this case by Attorney Samuel Masradian. Attorney Masradian, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. Thank you.
That's good. And the defense is represented in this case by Attorney Provo. And Ms. Provo, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
And Ms. Provo, do you waive a record in Mr. Smith's case?
Please do.
Mr. Smith, I have before me in cause number 26 CCCR 0200, a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Brian J. Smith, on or about November 29th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of violation of bond/protective order. Mr. Smith, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
To this charge, have you plead guilty, not guilty, no contest?
No contest.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Smith, I also have before me on my tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, there are some initials on the line next to the box is check no contingent, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargaining case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand this statement?
Yes.
The second box that's checked states that you are waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes.
Now, Mr. Smith, before you sign and initial these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything in these documents?
Mhm.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Smith, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir. State offer States Exhibit 1.
Any objections?
No, okay.
No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Smith, your attorney, Ms. Provo, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with the services?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Provo, you've advised and counseled Mr. Smith. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Smith, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
It'll be 65 days in the county jail, credit for 65 days, time served, court costs, tax and retirement.
Mr. Smith, the state is offering that you serve 65 days in Jefferson County Jail, but you would not have to serve any more time in jail on this case because you've already served 65 days in Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you've already served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means that you will not have to pay the court costs because the time that you have spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Mr. Smith, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
I do.
Mr. Smith, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Smith, we'll move to your next case. Your next case is cause number 24 CCCR 0022. And I have before me a motion to revoke your probation. In this motion, it alleges that you, Brian J. Smith, was tried in County Court Outlaw number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas on August 18th of 2025 for the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault causing bodily injury to a family member. You were found guilty and punishment was assessed at 180 days in the county jail, or in Jefferson County Jail, and a fine of 0. The confinement was probated for a period of 15 months. Think it's out of order. On here, there's MTRP true to allegations 1 and 18. You only have 12 allegations. I think they.
Okay, yeah, I with the
Condition
number of
18.
condition 18, yes, sir.
Yeah, no contact. That must be, is that 12? That's 11. That should be 11.
Okay.
That should be 1 and 11.
One next to that.
You heard that? Well, you're gonna have to make a change on the paperwork.
Okay.
They had allegations 1 and 18, it's 1 and 11. Okay, thank you. Okay, now, Mr. Smith. On misdemeanor plea admonishments, on page 1, it has one box that's checked MTRP. It means motion to revoke probation. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, on page 2 of this document, there's one box that's checked and is next to the initials MTRP, which means motion to revoke probation, true to allegations 1 and 11. Did you place your initials on this line?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this document, there is a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of the defendant's right of appeal, did you
Yes, sir.
place your initials on this line?
I did.
Okay. And also, at the top of this document, there's 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case. You have no right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to appeal. And do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, now going back to this motion to revoke probation, it states that, well, there are 12 allegations. State, are you abandoning allegations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12?
All of those besides 1, Your Honor.
Okay, so you're abandoning allegation. He's only pleading on 1 allegation?
No, I'm number 1. You mentioned that in the list. I'm not
No, I said
abandoning
2.
1.
I said 2. Start off with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12.
Yes, Your Honor.
And so he's pleading true on allegations 1 and 11.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, Mr. Smith, the state is abandoning allegation 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. They are proceeding on allegations 1 and 11. Allegation number 1 alleges that you committed the offense of violation of protective order with 2 previous convictions on or about the 15th day of November 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas, in violation of condition 1 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
True.
All right. Allegation number 11 alleges that You failed to have no contact or communication with victim complaining with the, they say victim slash complaining witness, Ashley Deloach and her family as ordered by the court in violation of the additional condition 18 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
True.
Okay, now you're pleading true to allegations 1 and 11 freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading true because they are true?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, so you're pleading true to these allegations freely and voluntarily, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, Mr. Smith, before you sign and initial all of the documents that I showed you on the tablet, did your attorney go over these documents with you? And did you understand everything that she went over? And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
State
Okay,
offer states one, Your Honor.
any objections?
No objection.
No objections, states exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Smith, I will accept your plea of true to allegations 1 and 11. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
That'd be 65 days in the county jail with credit for 65 days time served, court cost, tax retired.
Okay, Mr. Smith, the state was offering that you serve 65 days in Jefferson County Jail. You be given credit for the time that you have already served, which is 65 days. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired, and any unpaid balances and fees will also be taxed and retired. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Now, Mr. Smith, do you understand the state's offer? And do you accept the state's offer? Smith, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Smith, just have a seat in that jury box. And then when the paperwork is ready, you're gonna follow the directions of the bailiff. And once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go follow the bailiff. You have a blessed day. It's my understanding that you have some time to do on a felony charge.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
This wraps everything up, Mr. Mayor, correct?
Yeah, this will wrap everything up. And you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. And Miss Robo? Call to being